my hair looks crazy. Okay, listen, y'all. I don't know what it is, but like when I try to straighten my hair, it don't work out. When the person who's doing my hair straightens it, it works out. So I was trying to like, you know, keep myself from touching it, like from touching up, because it's my hair. But today I finally had to, and I look crazy. So no, just bear with me. I don't know what to do to like fix it. Like I followed all her instructions. She told me everything to buy, and everything to do, and it did come out like hers. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways.
What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a new tutorial, and with who? Juvia's Place. Okay, Juvia's Place has been coming for the girls' coins, okay, because they've just been putting out palettes. And one thing about the palettes they've been putting out the past couple of weeks is they've all been collab palettes. We've had the Yami palette, we had the Fumi palette, we had the Melissa palette, and now we got the Vanessa. Juvia's Place, listen, you just throw out collabs because you can send one my way. Like, Juvia's Place is a brand that I want to work with. Like, you know who inspires me? Raw Beauty Christy. If you watch her release palette for her Forest at Sight palette with ColourPop, and she showed footage of how she manifested working with ColourPop, God, I see what you're doing for others. I manifest my own. Like, I already started envisioning the type of palette I would create. But anyways, it's not about that today. Today, it's about Miss Vanessa, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look using her palette, which is super gorgeous. And baby girl looks cute, okay? You look cute. What's this lip combo, sis? Can you drop this combo down below, okay? Please and thank you. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram, okay? And let's go and get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows fully filled in. I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3, and I'm just gonna prime my lids with this. All right, so the eyes are primed. I did bring out my primer a little bit here because I do wanna bring the shadow a little bit further out. So this is the palette we're gonna be playing with, and I realized I matched my shirt with it. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside. Super pretty. One thing I can say right now, just looking at the colors, is everything looks usable. Like, there's not like a shading here that I'm just like, I would trade it out for something else. So taking this Luxie brush, I'm gonna go into the shade called BSG, which is this really nice brown shade. And I'm just going to pack this down right here. Dang, I was hoping that this brown was gonna be a little bit darker. Bit, but we can make this work. Okay, this is pretty. Now I'm going to take what brush? We'll take this brush right here. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna go into this shade called Stush, which is just like this soft orange, and I'm going to blend out this brown with it. Oh, that's pretty. That blended out like a dream. Okay, y'all, let's talk about this real quick. So school started back up for me, so I just want y'all to bear with me this semester, because especially these next 8 weeks. So the way my program is set up is I do it in 8-week sessions. So essentially a 15-week course is squeezed into 8 weeks, and I do 2 classes every 8 weeks. So I'm still doing like 4 classes a semester, but they're just shorter, but it's more fast paced. And one of the classes I'm in, it's like this professor literally wants our souls. Like, it's so much tedious work. So yeah, y'all gonna have to bear with me. I did see y'all's comments. Y'all really want a tutorial on the look that I had on in my palettes I regret buying video, and I am gonna report that look for you guys. It was real simple and easy, honestly. Like, it's a real simple eye look. I actually did that for my birthday pictures. I took pictures that day for my birthday, which is on the 25th. Ooh, I'm so excited. Your girl is turning 25 on the 25th. It is my golden birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be going to out of town this weekend. Like, we're literally going for like a day trip, and then we'll be back the next day. Okay, so I think I like this. All right, so I do like the way this looks. I'm gonna take this bigger brush, and I'm gonna go back into that orange shade and just bring it up a little bit higher, just so you know it's not awkward looking there. But real quick, I want you guys to comment down below if y'all like perfume collection videos. I see they do pretty well on YouTube, and like, I mean, I kind of want to do the video, but I don't want to do it and like nobody watches it. So let me know if y'all like stuff like that, because I got a nice little collection on my hand that I can, you know, show you guys. All right, so next I'm going to go into this shade right here. It is called Busy, and I'm taking this Sephora Shadow Brush number 15, and I'm going to place this right here. And I purposely want to bring this out. I hope this look comes out how I envisioned it in my head. Okay, that looks nice. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. This is the M209. I'm gonna take the shade Perfectionist. It reminds me of the Huda Beauty shadows from her new nude palette. That type of texture. And I'm just gonna place this on my lid. This is pretty, just nice and very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna use these lashes, by the way. These are from AliExpress. I'll have them linked down below. They're like $2 and some change if you want them. I like nice large lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look, give you my final thoughts. And yeah, I'll be back shortly. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and let me just say, I love it. It is so pretty. Real quick, on my lips, I have on the, y'all, I lost my ColourPop BFF4 lip liner. I mean, I have backups, but it's just like, I lost it. Sorry, what am I wearing? NYX Espresso lip liner. And then I have my DD Signature lipstick in the shade White Wine on, which looks like this. And I do have a discount code with them if you want to shop at DD Signature. And then also for gloss today, I went a little old school, okay? Took it old school, went with Fenty Glow the Original, okay? So let's talk about this palette. So this is what the inside looks like yet again. It's a very soft palette. It's kind of neutral to me. I mean, if you take out this pink shade or this like maroon shade, it's a very neutral palette. Let me just kind of like swatch them the colors. What the heck? Oh, that's like a duochrome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this shade Extra is literally a duochrome, because on camera, on the monitor, this looks pink. In person, this is gold. Y'all see the shift? Oh, okay, that's so pretty. Anyways, let me swatch the rest of them. So these are the swatches here. So all in all, this is a very nice palette. It's very soft, but at the same time still has a little bit of something. I feel like every single shade in here is useful, like literally. Like there's not one shade that isn't. There's no pressed glitters in here, which I'm not someone who's opposed to pressed glitters, but I will say sometimes I want the eyeshadow instead, because I don't wear pressed glitter every day. I don't even wear glitters every day. So sometimes I would prefer a shadow over glitters, especially in a collab palette with only 6 shades, or it doesn't have that many shades in there to be able to like quad 6 pan. 9 pans are a little bit more okay, because it's just like it's 9 shades. But I like the fact that it's all shadows. You get more mattes in here than you do shimmers. The palette retails for $15. She also released 2 glosses with the collection. I didn't pick up the glosses, but now I kind of want to go back and get one of them. It looks so pretty. It looks just right up my alley. So I might actually go back and buy one of those glosses. But overall, this is a very nice collection. Congratulations, Vanessa. I don't know if you're watching this video. I don't know if you ever see this video, but if you do, congratulations on your collab. Congratulations to everybody who has had their collab palettes. It's been a lot, and I'm happy to see smaller content creators, you know, get their moments, okay? So I'm happy to see this. I'd love to see people win. Like, this is exciting. So congratulations yet again on this collab. It's a beautiful palette. Yeah, is there anything else I have to tell you guys? No, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.